So you think you can multitask? Sure, you may be able to talk and drive a car, but is that really multitasking? Reality is that the brain is incapable of focusing on two things at the same time. A frontal part of the brain called Bradman's Area 10 is supposedly responsible for the brain switching from one task to the other. While we may think we're multitasking, we're actually getting good at switching from task to task more seamlessly. So what is possible? Well, you could use your time effectively to be more efficient. Here are 5 things that could help you do that. Number 1. Start with the low-hanging fruits. Make a list of easy tasks that can be completed quickly. 2. Break a big task into smaller tasks. It's less overwhelming. 3. Start creating your to-do list for tomorrow, today. 4. Use a calendar to keep track of timelines. Monitoring and reviewing tasks build efficiency. And finally, focus on one task at a time. Remember, the brain is incapable of doing two things at the same time. Time management helps you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and reach out to us if you'd like us to create a customized learning video for you.